Okay guys, today I'll be showing you how to get free stuff off of eBay. So what you want to do here is go to Chrome, go to eBay, which I'm already on, but I don't care. I'm going to start over. Go here, put in anything you want. Let's say I want a PS4 Pro. There we go. We're going to get a PS4 Pro, and I promise you, as you can see, you got a PS4 Pro. But instead, you want to wait until July something, because we're going to do a 3-day delivery guarantee. So, which one we're going to pick? We got the Star Wars edition. Well, I mean Battlefield. Okay, we're going to get, wait, there's only one left. I don't like that. I want more. Oh god, there's a lot to choose. I don't know what the heck that is. Actually, let's just go with this one. Yeah, let's just go with this one. There's only one left anyway. I might as well get it. Let's see. Go down here. If they had any more, I would have picked like 5. But we're gonna go here. Buy now. If they ask you for this, hit no thanks. Do not hit add plan. It will mess it up. It will not work. Whatever you do, do not sign in. Never sign in or register.
What?
Hit continue as guest. It will work. So, as you see, fast free July 3rd. It should be here July 3rd, which is pretty good for me. All you have to do is put this stuff in here. And please, guys, do not copy my information. I do not like that.
Yeah.
Do not copy my information.
That's true.
I already got too many stuff coming here already. And I just want a drone by YouTube. So, we're going to put this here.
Yep.
All our information. There we go. Let's see here. And don't put in my Gmail account. Put in your own Gmail account or Yahoo account, whatever y'all have. Because I like to use my own. Do not use mine. Do not use my information. I will get notified that my information has been used. So don't use my account at all. And please, do not use my phone number, man. Do not use it. That would be so rude if you do. Do not use the phone number. I don't know what the heck is that. Oh, I see. Do not copy my phone number. I don't like it. So, you hit done. As you can see, it costs us around $529. As you can see, I got my information here. Do not put any PayPal credit or debit card on it. And do not put any coupons or any whatever it is. So what you want to do, and this will actually work. Click between here, right here. Do not erase the equal or the numbers. Do not erase the equal or the numbers. So right here, delete all of this except for this. Right here, except for this. You put an m.ebay.com/complete $CARTID. Now over here, you want to do is hit QTY, hit equal 1, and there you go. Your order has been placed. Don't worry about this. You will receive an email information shortly. I never received it, but I know it's coming because I basically got it for free. So that's how you get eBay for free. But if you guys want me to get your get you something, I will do it for you. Don't worry about it. Your boy Maurice has got you. I'm gonna get you it. If you want an iPhone X, I will get you an iPhone X. But guess what? Here's the thing. I will get an iPhone X. We're gonna get the iPhone X. We're gonna get the iPhone X. Just to show y'all proof, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it again. So let's see what we got here. We got I can't do that. Don't worry, my computer just glitched out a little. iPhone X. So what you want to do? Go down to this or any iPhone C. Do not hit use. Go to brand new. Look at it carefully. Brand new. Apple iPhone X 64GB, unlocked USA model, Apple warranty, and brand new. So we're gonna click here, but wait, guaranteed by Monday, July 2nd. More colors. So we're gonna click on that.
Wait.
Let's see how many iPhone X's they have. Limit quality affair. As the color is space gray, I'm gonna try to get into a different color. I will go into silver. As you can see, it's a nice silver. Let's see how many we can get. Okay, as you can see, we can only get 2 or 1. So I'm going to get 2 iPhone X's. Don't worry about that either. That's my battery. No thanks. If you go into the beginning of the video and follow my directions, you will get this. Continue as guest. Continue as a guest. And then, as you can see, it's going to be coming July 2nd.
As you can see.
And we're going to put in our same information again. Because we are going to get this for free without paying.
Amari.
But then, we're going to do everything we can to keep these. Because I'm going to keep a lot.
Yep. That's what he is. He's Maurice Douglas.
Go here. Here, put where you live. This is where I am. I'm telling you guys, this really works. If you don't get an email confirmation, don't worry about it. It's still coming. But I will see you guys. If you guys want more, if you guys want me to show you what you want, if you say in the comments what you want, I will get it for you. And I will send it to your address. I mean it, and I will. I won't take it from you. I got a whole bunch of stuff coming. I got everything I want. So I'm good here. But if you guys want, I will send it to you. If you guys want it, say like you don't have this and you want that. If you want it, put a comment on my chat. Put a comment on my video. I will get it for you. Okay. Now let's see. It's gonna be coming July 2nd as we speak. The iPhone X. The iPhone X with 64 gigabytes. It only costs $1,000. And that is a lot of money. But we don't have to pay the money. You know why we don't have to pay the money? Because we got this. We got the glitch. Okay. Do the same thing on my. Do the same thing the first time I did. m.ebay.com/complete. Wait. Oops. Yep. Complete. Question mark CARTID. And then QTY equals 1. Thank you guys so much. I will see you next time in the video. If you guys want something from here, you can ask me and I'll give it to you and I'll buy it from you guys. Okay? See you guys. I'll see you guys next time. I love y'all.